Open up a folder on your desktop and call it Git practice or anything. That's on your laptop, on your VS Code rather. Have you seen access to this thing? Have you done it now? Okay, can you share your screen? So she's stop for now. She have stopped for today. So share your screen, please. Let us use your screen as our practical class. Don't worry, just share your screen on the call. Everybody should be able to see it. Good. So now, have you cloned it? Yeah? Okay. Please go ahead and clone it. And how do you clone? Of course. Yeah, click on it. Then go to your VS Code. Yes, create a folder. What do you Git? Good. Now go to your terminal. Click on view. Yeah. Now git clone then our link. Enter. So now you're cloning fitness project. All right. Now those do CD into the fitness project. You understand what I said? What I'm saying? I want to go. You to go into now. Can you see the fitness project folder? Check your left. Check this space. Yeah. Now what I need you to do is I need to enter in your terminal. But in your terminal, what is it showing here? Git practice. So you need to go into the fitness project. So now CD into fitness project. Make sure you get the spelling correctly. No, there's an hyphen there between fitness and project. Hey, cancel everything. It doesn't matter. It's not case sensitive. So next, there's an hyphen. There's an hyphen. You omitted it. I can't see it. Okay, I can see it now. I can see it. Yes, yeah. So it's in. And now, now what I want you to do now is I want you to create your own brand. Call it, just call it anything, right? Try and do just call it testing. Do your Git branch testing. Call it Git branch testing. And this is probably the last thing we do today before our next class on Friday. So this branch, for our next class on Friday, I want everybody to try and read on web hosting. Again, it's on the portal. Web hosting with Marcel. That's what we're going to be doing. So Git branch testing. Now, I want you to go into this branch of testing, which is what? Git checkout. So Git checkout testing. Sorry? No. So Git checkout will help you enter the branch that you want. So you have switched from master and test. Okay. You want to try it, right? Let me add everybody as collaborator now. So who else wants to collaborate? So it's not be as if I'm going to actually advise everybody to try and collaborate too. So let me add Mr. Kelvin first as a collaborator. Add people. And what's your username? Kelvin. Okay, I think I've seen it. I don't think I'm following you. Yeah. Let me add it. Sugochi, what's your username? You like this one? This third one here. Okay. So I've added what about you? Just David. David Black. Okay, land. 700, I guess. Oh, okay. Then David Land. Okay, I've added you as client. Okay. Mr. John, do you have a GitHub account now? Do you have a GitHub account? All right. So that's that. Now, but you just try and accept the invitation. So they send it to your email, just accept it and try the same thing that Ms. Favor is doing. Now, do not try to, like, there's going to be an assignment, so I'm going to tell you what to do. So, Ms. Favor, please continue. Now you switch to the branch. So now to check, to actually know if you're on that branch, just do Git branch. Type Git branch. So now you should see that it has switched from master to testing, right? Now, open up your HTML. I want you to just do something different. Open up your HTML. And on your HTML, all I want you to do is go right ahead and you're going to do two things for me. The first is just come down here and write H1. H1. Just write hello world. Hello world. Good. Now go up, right? That place that I wrote home, go up. This that I wrote home, change to about. Now what has she just done? She has changed something that I worked on. That means there's going to be a word conflict. You understand it now? So now I want to go ahead and push. So git add full stop to add everything. Git add full stop, try it. Git commit, then give it any commit message. It's your turn to think about commit message. Fixes, just write fixes. Fixes, then. Now, if you try writing git push, what is going to happen? Try git push now. What's going to happen now is that there's going to be a problem. And what's the problem? problem now is that testing, branch of testing does not it does not exist online. So what you need to do now is copy this git push dash dash upstream origin testing and then paste it and enter. Now it is going to push. So now it has pushed. Now just watch what's going to happen. It's not going to tell me that, oh, someone is trying to push, that I should go ahead and what check the pull request. So let us wait for. Sorry, let me see what it's saying again on your end. What is it saying? Origin testing, then it should work. Cannot see any pull request yet, which is weird. I can't see any pull requests yet. Oh wow. It's not supposed to be like that. Okay, wait. Let me see it again. So what is it saying? So you created a pull request. Yeah, I know. So the thing is that there should actually be a pull request here, but I cannot see any pull request. So what's going to happen is I'm going to have to do this the old-fashioned way. What's this thing here? This is a pull then new, right? So let's say pull new testing. All right, good. So as you can see, I have a pull request right here. But yes, it's telling me able to merge. But now there is also, as you can see, the conflict here. So automatically just assume that okay, what we wanted is what is this is our own that's changed to about, and what I wanted is what that what everybody wants is what's own. Now, as you can see, I have our own request right here. Then I can create a pull request and try to merge what she has done in my own code. So let us just check it out and let's see what happens. So let's wait for it. So all checks pass, checking the ability to merge automatically. So wait for this, and it's taking too long. I'm just going to go ahead and refresh. So now, as you can see, it's telling me no conflict. Okay, so telling me no conflict. Then let us try and merge pull request. And if I merge it now, what happens? Confirm merge. What has now happened now is that I have now merged our own work, our code into this place. Are you sure you accepted contributor? Okay, let's leave that. So now she has now merged. Now, one thing that has just happened is that can you see fixes here? Good. But if you come right here now, I will not have access to what she has done. Eh? I don't have access to it because I did not do it. You did it. You pushed it to GitHub. It is not automatically connected. So for me to now have access to what you've done, I have to now go into my master here and do git pull. You understand it now? Because I did not have access to what she pushed. For me to have access to it, I have to pull it. So if I do git pull now, not git pull, git pull, what happens? So note what's going to happen here now. It's not going to. I'm not going to have access to our own code. So as you can see, It's going to come right here now. So LO. Now I have access to it. That is basically how you collaborate. So collaboration, you work on it on your own end. I work on it on my own end. Like if I work on something now, you can pull it from your own end. You understand? Because that is how always know. Now, as you can see, I am not working on master. I am just pulling updates to where the master. Do you understand it? Eh? You should never work on master. You always create a separate branch and work on. And so if you create that separate one, whatever you do on the separate branch, and you see that it is correct, it's okay. You pull into you push into what? Into GitHub, merge to master, and pull. You understand it now? So I just showed you how to do it on my own, and I showed you how to collaborate with principle. I think this should be well explanatory now. You have a question? Sorry. How about what? Yes, exactly. Everybody. Yes. You can only work, if you can't work on the master, you can only pull updates to the master like you did now. What did you do? You work on your own branch, push to where GitHub. I merged to master. But I also need to have it on my own master branch locally. What I have to do, I have to pull it into my master. That means I'm pulling updates into where? Master. I think you need to understand this. See where I am right now, master. So when I wanted to do Git pull, where was I? Master. Why? I was pulling the updates of what you worked on. So if me, I want to work on something now, I will change from master to where? Another branch. Push to where GitHub. Then you also have to put in where? Master. So if you also want to work on another branch, you have to change to another branch. Push and put in master. And why am I doing this? Because master has access to all your projects. You understand? So if you are creating new branches from master, you are just creating an extension of master. So you have all your projects. Okay. I think everybody needs to sleep on this and digest this. Because we've done a lot. So what I want everybody to do, as you are sleeping on this, as you are digesting on this, I want you to go ahead and I'm going to pair everybody in groups. So what I want to do is, what I want to achieve is that I want you to understand how to like collaborate. So now this fitness app projects that you have here, this one. So rather than just making it one person project, I want two people to work on it. So it's going to be 2 weeks, like I said. We're submitting this in week 8. So 2 weeks. So two people work on this, collaborate on how you can get a good place. Now, just to be sure that everybody understands this, just work on the header for this week. Work on the header between now and Sunday or next week Monday. Just 2 people. Work on the header. Then if you see that you understand how to collaborate, you can go ahead and start working on other parts of it. Now, this is just so it's just to build that collaboration in you and make sure that you understand it. So, Miss I'm trying to like look at okay, Miss Favor. No, that's Ojoro. Okay, let's say that Mr. John, Miss Favor and Miss Ugochi, the same thing. And Mr. David and Mr. John, I'm sure you're here. And Mr. Kelvin will be in the same group. So I want everybody to work on this just work on it together. I just want to see what you've done. Try and collaborate. If you don't understand anything, can it happen? But what I'm going to do again, I'm not going to give you the answer. Just teach on how to go over it. And again, use Git this W3 tools. It's important. W3 tools has to be one of the best tools that will ever use. Try and use it. So I'm going to give us So try and use W3 skills, understand how Git works. Now you have everything under Git in W3 skills, every single thing. This can take you probably a week or 2 to get everything. If you can dedicate like 2 hours every day to this, you definitely get it. 2 hours is not much, but I know it's much sharp because a lot of people have things happening, but for me, this is my own life. So I can dedicate 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours to this every day, and it's definitely going to work. So just try as much as possible to understand. Is it today's class clear? Is it clear to everybody, or is it still to some extent? What should you have? Yes. CD into fitness project. You remember CD, right? No, CD does take you back. CD into fitness project. Where are you? You are in gift practice, Abby. Fitness project was what to clone that. Now CD into that fitness, CD fitness project. Yes, that's how you did. All right, so that will be the end of today's class. If you have any questions, please, you can ask now. Maybe if you have any question, you need to explain it. Please don't let